In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to have two images here inside your canvas, inside your document. And then what I would recommend is that you have the image you want to blend the first one up top. Okay, so we can just go ahead and adjust this over here inside layers. Let's say I want to fade this one and blend it into this landscape over here. What I also recommend is that you have this bottom image, so the base image kind of overlapping. So let's say I want it to be like this over here, and that's going to be perfect. Now, that's not necessary. It's just going to make things look a bit better, okay? So let's say I want to blend this, and the way you do this is very simple. Click on the top image here, go to the bottom over here where it says mask layer, and click on that, and then it's going to pop up a new mask layer. So click on this arrow, select the mask layer, then you want to go to vector, and you want to click on this fill tool. And when you click on this fill tool, you can just go ahead over here, kind of at the point where you want the fade to start on the image that's up top. And then you want to just kind of drag this out over here to this image. And then, of course, if that's not sufficient, you could also go ahead and adapt this part over here like that. And then you can, of course, use this slider as well to kind of make the fade according to your own preference. And you could always change it however you want. Just make sure those edges aren't showing because it looks a bit weird. So that's pretty much how we do it. As you can see, I've basically blended two images. Now, of course, you can make them bigger and it's going to look much better. So if I go ahead and adapt this background image here, it's going to look a lot better. If I move it in, you'll be able to see that. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.